Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make AI generated content that won't get flagged by AI detectors online. We all know how convenient AI tools like ChatGPT have become for generating content with just a few clicks. But using AI content can sometimes lead to problems like plagiarism and copyright issues because it's easily detectable. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred or my own strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Now let's dive into our video. First, I'll demonstrate how AI generated content gets detected by popular AI detectors like GPT-0 and originality.ai. And we'll start by asking perplexity.ai instead of ChatGPT to write a blog post on how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you don't know what perplexity.ai is, it's a most advanced tool than ChatGPT. Why? Because it gives the latest information which ChatGPT cannot do so. So I have linked a video in the description down below on perplexity.ai. So I request you to watch that video or the video will be popping on the screen. Now I'll ask perplexity.ai to write a blog post for me. So to save time, I've already created an article. So if you like to know what prompts to use to create article on perplexity.ai, I request you to please comment down below so that I would be creating a dedicated video on that. So after the results are generated, copy the whole information and go and check with the AI detector tools like GPT-0 and originality.ai. So let's check with the score and then after we'll move forward. As expected, when we test this content on AI detectors like GPT-0 and originality.ai, they all flag it as AI generated. But don't lose hope just yet. Now let me ask once again and I'll instruct perplexity.ai to create content that sounds more human written. And we'll test again on the detectors. And although there's some improvement, but it still doesn't pass. But fear not, there's a tool called Gravity Write that can help you create completely undetectable and original content. So here you can try Gravity Write for absolutely free. I'll mention the website to try for free in the description down below. After you are successfully logged into Gravity Write, click on Writing Assistant and just scroll a bit down and here you would be finding Rewrite Article AI Detector Bypass. Click on that and copy paste the exact article what you have created on perplexity.ai. So the first article itself I'm going to copy paste and click on Create Content. And you can see on the right corner in the playground section, the original article is created. Now what I will be doing is like I'll just click on copy and head over to the two AI detector tools and check with the quality score once again. And voila, when we test it on the detectors, it passes with flying colors. Gravity Write ensures our content is 100% original and undetectable. So you can use Gravity Write to generate new undetectable content effortlessly. Just enter your title or the prompt, click create content and you're good to go. Test it on AI detectors and you'll see the difference. And guys, just ask yourself, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just by creating these kinds of systems and these strategies, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And as a promise, I would like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free, right? So as you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs. The first one is called Launchpad Secrets. And this program would be helping individuals to start their own affiliate marketing journey. And finally, they'll come to learn how to make their first $1,000 as an affiliate. The second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This will be helping them to grow on YouTube as well as with the combination of affiliate marketing. You'll even earn more money. And the third program is the Stasho method. And you know, I've listed this product on Digistore24 and I'm selling it for $97 for over there. And I'm about to give you this product absolutely for free. And this program would be helping individuals to start their own dietary supplement business from comfort of their home without any inventory or without any product. And the last program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And this is for those who like to start their own agency or like to do any freelance kind of work. So as a combination, the whole bundle, I'm going to give you absolutely for free. So to claim it, either you need to visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete 2 hours presentation on affiliate marketing. It's a no-brainer presentation. So I request you to watch the complete 2 hours presentation and you will be receiving a private invite from our group, or else you can either just go and copy the URL which is popping on the screen. Just click on join as a member on the top right corner and you will be inside our community. The courses are not yet opened and we are looking for our first 100 members to join our community. So if you're really interested to get this bonus, then you can please join our community. You know, once we are done with 100 members, we are going to open the courses for absolutely free and you will be the lucky one from those 100 members to access it. So there you have it, guys. With Gravity Right, you can create content that bypasses all AI detection tests. Check out the links to the AI detector tools in the description down below. And if you found this video and the bonus helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel for more tips and tricks. So thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.